Hi everyone, today we're going to discuss trial exam from Kelantan State, paper 1, the topic which is system of equations, alright? So this question is about finding or state the difference between infinite solutions and no solutions. There's only 1 marks questions, soalan 1 markah sahaja, meaning that you only state the difference. So the difference of infinite solution and the no solution, the difference is when we find out the solutions, therefore final result, they will give us answer 0 equal to 0, okay? But for the no solution, we get the result, which is 0 equal to p. The p is a constant value, all right? Just state the difference like this. Or this is the notes from the textbook, Form 4 textbook, where I mentioned about solution to system of linear equations in 3 variables. We have 3 types of solutions. Either there is 1 solutions, satu penyelesaian tidak terhingga, ataupun tiada penyelesaian. So the difference is 1 solution intersect 1 point, the planes infinite solution, they will intersect along a straight line. No solution, the planes do not intersect at any point. Tiada persilangan langsung. Okay, so kalau tak tulis macam ni, seperti mana yang kata result tu, sifar dengan sifar, mungkin boleh bagi jawapan tambahan di mana tiada untuk penyelesaian for the infinite solutions that is intersect along a straight line. Maknanya dia ada persilangan di garis sana, satu garisan sepanjang garis sana. Kalau tiada penyelesaian, dia tiada persilangan di antara setiap sata. Okay, so tambahan untuk jawapan ini. Kalau nak tuliskan pun boleh. Okay, tapi 1 markah je kan. Untuk ini dah cukup lah. Okay, so kita move on to question part B. Kita pergi bahagian D, di mana the question mentioned about ask you to solve following equation by using elimination method, menggunakan kaedah penghapusan. So ingatkan bahawa biasanya kalau persamaan serentak, normally using simultaneous equation, you will use the substitution method, right? For in this case, you must okay, use elimination method. Kalau guna kaedah substitution, even your answers correct, then also you cannot get marks. Okay, so kadang-kadang ada murid yang selalu risau, kata susah nak buat kaedah penghapusan, right? So if you want to do elimination method for system of linear equation, make sure you follow this step. Follow these steps, STEPS acronym. The S stands for simplify. How to simplify? Make sure your equation, both equation is arranged in the not bentuk piawai, but is in a bentuk arm. Alright, must be arranged in the general form, means that x, y, then this is a c here lah, ax plus by plus c. Alright, so it's not piawai, but it's arm. Alright, so the T, target. So you need to look for the equation, target, choose which variable that you are going to eliminate. You nak hapuskan x ke, you nak hapuskan y. So you perlu target dulu, tengok mana yang mudah. Kemudian baru equalize, samakan perkali pemboleh ubah yang nak dihapus. Let's say you want to eliminate the y. So make sure that on top and the bottom the coefficients must be same lah. 2 and 4 you cannot eliminate, right? So you must make sure the coefficients must be the same value. Then after that, only you plus or minus. Use the step P, plus or minus. Then last step, only you substitute the answer, the value into the equation to get the second value. Alright, so let's start to do solve the equation. So to be easy, give the equation numbering. Okay, now simplified, already in order, right? Already in the general form. So now we target what we want to eliminate the x or y. If you want to eliminate x, make sure this is also x squared. But if this is x squared, I cannot eliminate yet. Why? Because I must make sure both also 3 or both also 2. Then only I can eliminate. Then later on, I need to multiply by 2, multiply by 3, then multiply by x as well. So a bit of complicated. So let's say the y. If I want to eliminate this and this, make sure both also 4xy, right? So from negative 2y, how are I going to become 4xy? So the first equations, I can go and multiply by 2x. Alright, when we multiply by 2x, each terms, setiap satu sebutan mesti darab 2x. Each term must multiply by 2x. Jangan darab tengah-tengah tu saja. So 3x, okay, 3x multiply 2x, 3 times 2, you're going to get 6. 6x kuasa 2. Then negative 2x, negative 2y times 2x, you're going to get 4xy. And so on, that equal to 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12x. So, maka kamu sudah boleh tukarkan persamaan 1, okay, menjadi persamaan yang ketiga. Okay, still the same equation, only you transform into another form so that you can do the elimination method, or you can eliminate one of the variables. Now, both we have 4xy, 4xy. Now, the next step, already equalize. Okay, after equalize, now we need to plus or minus. In order to eliminate the x and y, okay, one is a positive, one is a negative. When both sides, both symbol different, so what you can do is plus. Alright, kalau dia tanda sama, mean both is negative, we must do minus. Okay, same different sign, we add. Same sign, we subtract. Alright, so ini kita buat 2 plus 3. Okay, kita plus. Alright, so 2, this is 2 tambah 6. So 8x kuasa 2. Yang ini negatif 4xy, ini positif 4xy. Kalau jumlahkan, sudah hapus. So memang dah kosong. Okay, sifar. Okay, sifar. So equal to 2 plus 12x. Alright, so after that we are going to arrange it into the quadratic equation. So minus 12x plus 2 equal to 0. And now you see the question here asks you to give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. Kalau dibagi jawapan 3 tempat puluhan, is for sure confirm you cannot solve it using factorization method. So apa yang kamu boleh buat? You hanya boleh selesaikan dengan menggunakan rumus. X equal to negative b plus minus root. Some formula is given in the formula list. Cannot remember, please go and refer to the formula list. Over 2a. Okay, make sure you substitute all the value into the equation. I know that you can use calculator to get the answers, but make sure you follow the steps, show working, as you need to substitute the value of a, b, c. A is 8, all right, b is negative 12, and c is 2, all right. Sorry, c is not 2, but it's a negative 2, right? Okay, there's a mistake here. Negative 2, sorry. Okay, so C is a negative 2, right? So I change a bit, negative 2. So make sure you substitute the value in correctly. Okay, so negative 12. Okay, plus, minus. Make sure your square root must be overlap everything, cover everything, don't halfway. So negative 12 square minus 4ac, all right, over 2a. All right, so you're going to get 2 answers. One is a positive, one is a negative. Okay, so after you substitute, now you can use your calculator. All right, you can use your calculator to get the answer. This is 8x squared, right? 8x squared minus 12x minus 2. All right, so you're going to move on to the calculator. Okay, so you can check with the answer. Okay. Okay, so menu. Okay, alpha A. All right. Okay, I have to add menu. Okay, menu alpha A is the equation. Okay, if you don't want to press menu alpha A, you can use the menu, then you use the arrow one by one. Go and look for the equation. Okay, because this is online version, a bit slow reaction. Okay, don't find for the equation. Okay, this now is the shortcut. Menu alpha A. All right, so you press equal, then you choose polynomial. All right, polynomial, that's now we have the degree is 2, right? Power 2. So then we can put in all the value of a, b, c. It's not 8x squared, so you put 8. All right, then press equal sign. Then negative 12 is my b, negative 12. Negative 12. All right, then equal, then my C is a negative 2. Now, put in the value, then you press equal sign. Okay, so you answer in the shirt, okay, but the question mentioned in decimal, right? So press equal, okay, press this one, SD. Okay, so the answer is 1.3 decimal places, right? So 1.651. Okay, this is one of the answer. So another one, okay, you can press one more time of the equal sign. Okay, then SD. So another answer is negative 0.151. Remember, 3 decimal places. All right, so X here, you can straight away write X equal to negative, okay, 0.151. X equal to 1.651. All right, write down the answer 2 here. Or maybe you can put bottom. Okay, oops. Okay, bring it down also can. Okay, after you get the X, okay, now you get the Y. So, and we're going to get the value of Y. Don't forget, you only find the X only, you still need to find the Y. To get Y, either you substitute inside here or inside here. To be easy, so of course, we need to substitute to the linear equation, right? So, when my X equal to negative 0.151, 3X negative 0.151 minus 2y equal to 6. Okay, you can use the calculator function shift solve, or you straight away do it 2y equal to, this one bring there, right? So this one bring here. So when you need to solve the equation, all right, make sure your subject must be on the left side. Okay, so 2y will be equal to negative 6.453. So y is equal to negative 3.227. This one I already calculate using the calculator. We're going to make it faster so that you can press your calculator to get the answer. So another one, when my X is equal to 1.651, okay, 3 multiplies 1.651 minus 2y equal to 6. So 2y equal to negative 1.0747. So y is equal to negative 0.524. All right, so we get X and Y. So done. That's all. All right, but make sure you have the X and Y to be accurate. So you have to write down. So therefore, okay, X equal to negative 0.151. Y equal to negative 3.227. X equal to 1.651. Y is equal to negative 0.524. This out is better to make sure the markers easy to mark your answer lah. Okay, must make sure show all the workings, even though you can use your calculator to check. All right, so please remember the steps. All right, I already missing my steps here. Okay, okay, this is the steps to solve using the elimination method for the system of equations. All right, so we will discuss other questions in the next video. All right, bye.